Okay. Yes, good afternoon everyone. Yesterday we did few questions from the lines and angles. Okay. So today we are doing some more questions on lines and angles. So here we have some questions. So I request everyone to write down the questions. In figure AB, in figure AB is parallel to CD and angle CDE is equal to 80 degree. CDE is equal to 80 degree. CDE is equal to 80 degree. Angle BED, angle BED is equal to 40 degrees. Find angle ABE. Find the angle ABE. Okay. So I will repeat. In figure, AB is parallel to CD if CDE is equal to 80 and BED is equal to 40. Find the angle ABE. Okay, that angle we have to find out. Okay, so I hope everyone wrote the question. Okay, I am waiting for some kids also. Oh, sorry, I was little busy. Someone came. That's what I went out. So we can continue with this question. Those who came just now, joined just now, they can refer the question. So here I will draw the diagram, as diagram is also given over here. Okay, so try to we can find out the required angle ABE. Okay, so here diagram is and this is what the diagram given. This is A, B, C, D. Okay, this is given E, and this angle is given 40 degree and this angle is given 80 degree, and they are asking to find out ABE, where this ABE, and in question it is given that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so this information is given. From this given information, how can we find out the AE? Okay, so here if we want to find out this ABE, you should know the corresponding angle, co-interior angle, alternate interior angles. Okay, so if you take here, they already given angle CDE is equal to given 80 degrees, angle ABE is given 40 degrees. Okay, this is what the given basic information. Now AB is parallel to CD, that means here angle CDE and angle ABE are what? Co-interior angles only. Okay, so sorry, not co-interior, they are what known as alternate interior angle. So how they become alternate interior angle? Can you think on this? Here what? Since here AB and CD are parallel to each other, then angle CDE and ABE are alternate interior angles. Therefore, we can say that here a angle of, see, this CD is parallel to AB, then we can say that CDE and ABE are nothing but alternate interior angles. So we can write here CDE is equal to angle ABE is nothing but alternate interior angle. So here CDE is 80 degree, then angle ABE is also what? 80 degree. So we will get here angle ABE as a 80 degree. Okay, so copy this. Copy this and write down next one. I hope everyone is copied. So now next one, write down. Here we have in figure angle DOB is 87, DOB is 87, OA is 82. If angle BOA is 35, then find the angle COB and COD. Okay, so this is what the given question. I will repeat one more time. Here the question is that in figure DOB is 87. DOB is equal to 87 and angle COA is equal to 82 degrees. If angle BOA is equal to 32 degrees, sorry not 32, 35 degrees, then they are asking us to find the angle of COB, and find the angle COD. This we have to find out. And figure is given. I will draw the figure here. Okay. And here write down this is B, this is A, and this is only given 35. Okay, this much information is given here, and they gave here DOB, means this entire angle is given 87, and angle COA, that means this bigger angle, means this COA is given 82. Okay, so now we have to find out angle COB, that is COB. Which one COB? So I will mark with different color. Check here. I am interested in this. Okay, I want to calculate angle COB. So already we have here angle COA. This bigger angle COA, and COA is nothing but COB plus angle BOA. Angle BOA. This is what the sum for COA. But COA is itself 82 and angle COB I don't know, but angle BOA is given 35 degrees. No? So from this we will get COB just by transposing 35 to this side. So here 82 minus 35. Do this division, do this subtraction. (47 degrees). So I will get here this as a 47 degrees. Okay. Now I got the first angle COB. Now they are asking here the angle COD, means this COD. Okay, so again the same funda we can use. So actually COD or COD is one of the part of bigger angle COB. Okay, and COB we know that is given how much here? 87. Okay, so 87. So I will write here angle DOB. Angle DOB is a sum of angle DOC plus angle BOC. Can you getting this? Okay. And here angle DOB itself given 87 and DOC I want to find out. DOC or COD, O angle is common, so we have to find out that, plus BOC. So BOC just now we got, that is a 47. Okay. So we can write here angle DOC is equal to 87 minus 47, that is equal to how much? 40 degrees. So this is what the answer we got. Okay. I hope you all are getting these questions, very important. Copy this. I hope everyone is copying. So, okay, getting next question. Write down next question. In figure PR, in figure PR is the angle bisector of angle APQ prove that AB is parallel to CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. In the figure, PR is the angle bisector of angle APQ. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay. So this is also important question. Values are given. Only how to prove is very important, and moreover you should be clear with your angles and lines concepts. Okay, how linear pair, co-interior angle, alternate interior angle, corresponding angles, this all angles you should know and their properties you know, then only you can solve any questions from the lines and angles. Okay, so here I will draw the figure. They gave a figure over here. This is the transversal and they are saying AB and CD. This is AB, this is CD. Okay, and this entire angle is given 104 degrees, and here RT is a line bisector. This is P and this is R, and this angle is given how much? 38. This is a point F. Okay, then this is E. Okay, so this is what the figure given, and we have to show that here, we have to prove that here AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so if we want to prove, and they gave a values over here, and they are asking us to prove AB is parallel to CD, and here AEF is a transversal, then there should be what? Whenever there is a transversal and two parallel lines are there, then their co-interior angle sum is what? 180. Means co-interior angle means what? This angle, this angle. Co-interior angles, okay, they are enclosed between two lines. If their sum is getting 180, that means we can say that they are a parallel. Okay, so if they gave a value for this side, then we can prove that also. But here they gave only one side, and one side it is enough. Okay, so here we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Now very important thing, that's what class 8 we learn, these corresponding angles, co-interior angles, alternate interior angles. Okay, so here this is 104, then this opposite angle is also 104 because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so can I write here, suppose this is the EFG. Okay, so I can write here angle DFG is equal to angle TFC is equal to what? Vertically opposite angle, and here this angle TFC is nothing but angle DFG, and that DFG is nothing but what? 104 degrees. So because of vertically opposite angle. So I told you here I told you, so this is, we have to consider this and this entire angle. Suppose if I take this small value, means this value as a x, then this entire angle APF will become how much? 38 plus x, because RP is a line bisector, angle bisector, so it bisects the angle. Okay, so this is 38, and if it is 38, then angle bisector, it bisects what? That angle is also same. So I will show you two different methods. So if suppose this is 38, then this is also what? 38. 38 plus 38 how much? 76. Okay, and 76 plus 104 is nothing but what? You will get 180. Okay, so angle bisector is what? Same angles. It bisects that angle in the equal amount. Okay, so here we can write it as a 38. So angle APF is nothing but what? 38 plus 38. So this is the angle APF. Okay, so we can write here APF, entire angle 38. So angle APF is equal to 38 plus 38 is 76, and we can write here angle APF plus angle PFC is equal to 180 degrees, because they are co-interior angles. They are co-interior angles, and here this is 76 plus 104, that is equal to 180 degrees. That means here we can say that AB is parallel to CD. So this is what the required proof. Okay, copy this. Getting this? Copy. Okay, write down the next question. In the figure AOC, AOC and BOC form a line. In figure, angle AOC and angle BOC form a line AB. Form a line AB, full stop. If angle A minus B is equal to 80 degrees, if A minus B is equal to 80 degrees, find the values of A and B. Find the values of A and B. Okay, I will repeat one more time. Here in the given figure, angle AOC and angle BOC form a line, and A minus B is nothing but 80 degree. Find the values for A and B. Okay, so I will draw the figure. I hope you all are copying and you are getting these questions. Okay. So I will draw the figure here. This is AOB, the straight line, okay, and this is given C, and in the question itself it is given that A minus B is equal to 80 degrees, so you can take that as a equation number 1. So even they are saying AOB forms a line, and we know that the straight line angle is 180 degree, so here this entire forms 180 degree, so here A plus B, we will get it as what? 180 degrees. So this is my equation number 2. So if I add equation 1 and 2, if I add, then I get A minus B plus A plus B is equal to 180 plus 80. RHS you can add with RHS, and LHS you can add with LHS. So here B plus B minus B get cancelled. A plus A is a twice A. Now here we will get 0, 6, and here 260. A is equal to 260 by 2, that is 130. Okay, so once you will get A, then put anywhere A value, so you will get the value for B also. So put A is equal to 130 in equation number 2. So A I got here 130 plus B is equal to 180. So B is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to how much? I will get 50 degrees. Okay, so this is what the answer. Simple questions are there. So if you are trying to solve by your own afterwards also, you can easily get it. Okay, then write down next one. In the given figure, PO is perpendicular. In given figure, PO is perpendicular to AB. In given figure, PO is perpendicular to AB. If x is to y is to z, if x is to y is to z, y is to z is equal to 1 is to 3 is to 5. 1 is to 3 is to 5. Then find the degree measure of x comma y comma z. Then find the degree measure of x comma y comma z. Okay, I'll repeat. In the figure, PO is perpendicular to AB. If x is to y is to z is equal to 1 is to 3 is to 5, find the degree of measure x, y and z. Okay, and the diagram is given. I will draw the diagram. Draw. This is AB, this is straight line. Okay, and here we give here this as a 90. Now PQR, and these angles are X, Y and Z. So these three angles are there. So it's very easy now how to calculate. Here B, this point is O. It is very clear, no? Angle POB is 90 degree. Then angle POA is also 90 degree. Then in angle POA, X, Y, Z are the small angles. And if we combine them, then you will get answer how much? We will get 980. Okay, sorry, 90. Then how can we find out here? And they gave one ratio also. x is to y is to z. That is nothing but 1 is to 3 is to 5. 1 is to 3 is to 5. That means here we will get 1x, 3y and 5z. So if we add all the 3 and equate it to 90, then you will get the answer. Okay. So 5z. So here what I will do, I will take all the variables same. Okay. And I will equate them. So here we can take it as x, y and z as equal to a. Means I will take here x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to a. So this angle will become a plus 3a plus 3b, sorry not 3b, 5b, 5a is equal to what? 90 degree. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 is a 9a is equal to 90. So a equal to I am getting 10, because 9 when you transpose you will get answer 90 by 9, that is equal to 10. So now first a is nothing but 1x and another a is nothing but 3y and next is nothing but 5z. So 1 is the x is nothing but what? A. So 1 into 10 is nothing but 10. 3 into 10 is nothing but 30 and y 5 plus into 10 is nothing but how much? 50. So here 50 plus 30 is 80, 80 plus 1, 80 plus 10 is 90. So here we got all the angles of x, y and z. Getting this? I hope you all are copying. Copy this fast. Copy. I'm going for the next question. Okay, so write down next. In the figure find x and y. Find x and y. If LM parallel to M, L is parallel to M. If L is parallel to M, L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q and P is parallel to Q. This is L, this is M. Okay, so here I will extend this line little because this is PQ. So we will extend L. Okay, this is what the figure given. So this is x, this is 40 degrees, x 40, this is 35, okay, and this is nothing but what? Your y. Here the condition is there, P is parallel to Q and L is parallel to M. Okay, so we can't take this also as alternate interior angles. Okay, so if I consider here, if you consider this means suppose if I gave here this is as a B and C. So in a triangle ABC, triangle angle sum is nothing but what? 180. And if in a triangle if I am taking x, then 40 plus 35 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180, 40 plus 30 70 minus 75. So I will get this as an angle 105. Okay, x I will get 105. Now if you observe closely here, this exterior, suppose this I will take this as a z. Okay, so I will write here z because already x is there, y is also there. Now check, z and x are in a linear pair. Okay, they are in linear pair. So as they are in linear pair, the sum is 180. So I will write x plus z is equal to 180 and write the reason linear pair. Okay, and just now I got z, that is 105. So x is equal to, I will get 180 minus 105, that is nothing but I will get 75. Okay, so you will get this answer, this as a 75. X is equal to, we will get 75. Now they are interested in y. So if line P and Q are parallel, okay, then here this C to D is nothing but what? A transversal. Okay, so if I want to find out y, so which angles you can consider and how you can solve? Check. Very easy. Just check the angles, co-interior corresponding angles, then you will get the answer. Check what you will get. Yes, can you able to find out? So see, this is 35, then this is also 35, vertically opposite angle. This angle and y are alternate interior angle, no? So here y also we will get it as 35. Okay, so like this we will get x as a 75 and y as a 35. Copy this. Okay, everyone copied. So use your basic concepts which we learn in class 7, 8. So apply that, you will get the answers. Okay, so write down next question. If two lines intersect at each other, if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. Prove it using above. Find the angle value of x. Find the angle value of x. Find the angle value of x. Okay, so I will draw the figure here. So actually figure is given like this. Okay, and this value is a x. This is 87. This is A, B, and here C. This is given 35. Okay, so we know that here AC is intersecting with BC. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. So here this is 35 and this is also 35. Already angle A is given 87 and I want to find out x. So if I consider here in triangle ABC, so triangle angle sum is 180. So 87 plus 35 and this angle I will take y equal to how much? 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 80. 125. Okay. 87 and 35. 2. Sorry, 122. 122. And here if I subtract 122 from 180, so 10 minus 2 is a 8, so 7. 7 minus 2 is a 5 and 0. So this is 58 degrees. So y you will get 58 degrees. Then x is also 58 degrees because vertically opposite angles. Okay, so this is what the answer for this. Okay. So for today I will take this many. Thank you for joining. Those who joined just now, they can watch the video from the beginning.